Good morning, children. I invite you all for your 8th standard or the high school section. It is my pleasure to tell you because this year I am going to teach you the English. At the same time, I think it is my bad luck because I am unable to meet you or I am unable to see you directly in the classrooms. You know what is the reason for this? Because of the COVID-19, because of the pandemic disease COVID-19, we are unable to handle the direct classes or physical classes in the classrooms. As today's situation is not good, because of this critical situation, so we are unable to start the physical classes in the classrooms. So this year also, as in the last year, we are going to coach you through these video classes or online or offline classes. So before I am going to start the syllabus, I want to introduce you because I am the first time for you I am going to teach English. So my name is Shakuntala Kulkarni. From this year or for this academic year, I am going to teach you the English subject. Then there is a proverb, so student's life is golden life. Have you heard this? Because before you are going to reach for the college studies or before you are going to study in the colleges, you have to cross the 4 stages in the high school section. So that is the pre-primary section, primary section, and then high school section, and then college. So the three pre-primary, primary, higher primary and high school sections. So now already you have crossed the 3 stages in primary section. Now you have come up for the high school section. So once again I invite you all for the 8th standard and 8th standard, and now which you are going to learn the further studies or the further knowledge in high school step. So before I am going to start the syllabus, first I want to know some basic informations what you have already learnt in the previous standards or in the primary section or in the 7th standard. Because in high school also we are going to learn the languages. So many languages are there, but for your studies we learn you have to learn the 3 languages. One is Kannada, then English and Hindi. But as you are the English medium students, you have to study the English as the first language. So language, so it is very important for all of us. Can you tell me why we need a language? So we need a language to communicate with the others, because the language is a media which communicate us, or through that language we have to share or we have to express our views with the others. So why do we need English? Because the English is considered as the international language, and most of the countries or the people of the most of the countries are using English for communication. So we have to learn the language and we have to get knowledge about this English. So let us come to the textbook. So now I am going to tell you that this is the introduction class for you. So in the next class we have to start the syllabus or the bridge course. So here I am showing you the textbook which is prescribed for 8th standard this year, academic year. So this is your textbook, first language English textbook. So it has the name that the pearls of treasure. So this is meant for you. So this is designed for the 8th standard students, and each and every lessons which contains in the textbook or which are in the textbook, it had the different activities for you to get the knowledge about the different skills like listening, speaking, writing and listening, reading, writing and speaking. So these are most important skills you have to learn through the languages. See here that the total number of lessons are there in your textbook. The textbook contains 3 parts. One is prose part, then poetry part, then supplementary reading part. So here the prose part, it contains the lessons it has 8 lessons and the same number of poems are there in the poetry pieces. So 8 lessons are there, then 8 poems are there. So then for further studies you get some supplementary reading. So the name itself suggests that it is reading, supplementary reading. So how to get values and we have to learn some lessons which based on the values in this supplementary reading. So this part contains 3 lessons. So now I am going to introduce you the lessons and the poems which are prescribed for this year. The first lesson is Heavenly Parasol. See here, these are the contents of your textbook. In the prose part, already I have told that it contains 8 lessons. So the Heavenly Parasol, this is the first lesson. Then second one, The Boy Who Sold Wisdom. This is the second one. Then third one, Before the Match. Then fourth, Anandi Gopal, an autobiography. So this is based on the characteristic or the life and achievement of Anandi Gopal. Then fifth one, a lesson for Nakul. Then sixth, the model millionaire. Then seventh, the great sacrifice. So it is a play. So it is a drama. Then eighth one, the women on platform 8. So these are 8 lessons which contain in the textbook. So in poetry sector, already I have told you that there are the same number of poems, that is 8 poems are there. The first poem, Benjamin Jones Goes Swimming. First one, Benjamin Jones Goes Swimming. Then second one, Leisure. So that is the 10th here. The serial number continued 1 to 16. So the 8 lessons and 8 poems. So first poem is Benjamin Jones Goes Swimming. Then second one, Leisure. Then third one, After Apple Picking. The fourth one, Palanquin Bearers. Then fifth one, Modern Machinery. Then sixth, Imagination. Then seventh, The Bees. So it is written by William Shakespeare. Then eighth one, The Cloud. So these are 8 poems which are prescribed for you for this year. So in supplementary reading or in the non-detailed part, already I have told you you have 3 lessons are there, so which are based on the values just like the stories. So here the first one is King Sindbad and his Falcon. First supplementary reading lesson is that is the King Sindbad and his Falcon. Then second one, The Broken Gate. Third one, The Miser. So these are the value based lessons just like the stories which give you the different values of the life. So this is about your textbook and all about the syllabus which you are going to study in this year. So because of the pandemic disease, the COVID-19, so last year also the children are not attending the direct classes in the schools. So that is why the government has reduced 30% of the syllabus had been reduced in the last year. But this year we did not get any information about the text or about the syllabus. So that is why for first at present you have to study all the lessons, that is 8 lessons, 8 poems and 3 supplementary reading. So if you get any information regarding the syllabus in the future days or in the further days, I will inform you. But at present you should study all the lessons which contained in the text. Okay. In the next class we will go through the basic information, that is the bridge course, and based on what you have learnt in the 7th standard. So after 1 week directly we are going for the syllabus. Okay.